If your dreams are as big as a skyscraper, you're just like Judy Hopps, Zootopia's newest bunny cop. Judy Hopps leaves her tiny hometown to become the first bunny police officer in the bustling city of Zootopia. But guess what? The big city isn't quite as welcoming as she hoped. Some animals think she's too small to make a difference. But does Judy give up? No way. She's determined to prove everyone wrong. She teams up with a sly fox named Nick Wilde, who's got more tricks than a magician. Together, they set out to solve a super mysterious case of missing predators. As they follow the clues, they uncover a huge conspiracy that threatens the peace of Zootopia. Will Judy and Nick save the day? You bet. They show that no matter how small you are, you can still be a giant hero. So, never let anyone tell you that you can't achieve your dreams. Just like Judy, you might be the hero the world needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.